Well, I'm in this lovely surrounding, no one around. So I can work quite happily on my boat. I've got an awful lot to do while I'm in lockdown. So what about you? How about the photographers? If you're really stuck for something to do and you're stuck inside, then why not try smoke photography? There's a video on it. Here it is. This is where you can see it. Lots of other photographers have got videos on it as well. So, compare them, find the best way. All you need is something to make some smoke. A cigarette, for example. Oh, not any of those special ones. You never know what you might end up with. But cigarette smoke, a joss stick, we've all had them in the 60s. Oh, well, not the 60s. I mean, we've all had them in our time. But anything, basically, that makes smoke. Have a go. Maybe you could send me a few. Let me have a think where. I don't think you can pay. If you can put them on the comments, I'm not sure you can. But if you can, stick them on the comments. If not, I've got a Gmail address, which is Philip McCaudle. That's it's up there. Send them to me. We'll have a little bit of fun. Well, that's great. I hope you enjoy that. I'll just show you where I am. In fact, what I could do is show you the boat. Well, here she is. She's called Osprey, as you see, and we're moored in a place called Hebden Bridge. Now, I'll just do a quick 360 for you. It'll be a quick one. And just show you where I'm moored. And I'm right in the middle of town. But as you see, I've got this rather quiet little mooring where nobody gets within any space of me. So, there we go, that's 360. Well, I hope you enjoyed that film. And happy photography. Particularly happy lockdown.